What's up, everyone? I thought I would give you another very unprofessional podcast format here regarding how long you can stay in the Kingdom of Thailand on a tourist visa. Now, you will hear many people say that you can make continuous border runs in and out of Thailand for as long as you want to, with basically no repercussions. And if you use the right agency, you can stay here for as long as you want on a tourist visa. Well, it is my understanding that used to be true. However, that is no longer the case, unless I guess you're pulling some kind of really heavy-duty strings and have a lot of money to pay off the right people. My information source comes from Integrity Legal, which is a law firm here in Bangkok. I spoke with the managing director, whose first name is Benjamin. He is an American attorney, and he practices all kinds of visa law here in Bangkok, Thailand. Now, I'm not going to quote him directly because I don't want to get myself in any trouble, certainly, if I misspeak about anything. However, the information that I'm going to provide you is fairly accurate. I would say very accurate. And I just want to tell you guys kind of what to expect when it comes down to getting a tourist visa and planning on staying in Thailand. So the premise behind the tourist visa is Thailand will allow you to stay here for basically about 6 months is what it comes down to. And I'm going to explain how that works. If you come here on a tourist visa, they want you to be a tourist. They want you to come and they want you to leave. If you're going to be contributing to society here, then you will likely apply for a non-immigrant visa, such as a non-O or non-B visa if you're looking for work. The 6-month tourist visa that I'm referring to works like this. There's one of two ways you can get it. A, you can go to your home country and apply for the 60-day tourist visa and get it before you arrive if you are coming from a modern Western country such as America. When you get that 60-day visa, you can extend that 60-day tourist visa one time in country for a total of 90 days. After that 90 days, you then have to make a quote-unquote border run to Malaysia, Burma, Laos, somewhere where there's a Thai embassy or consulate in which you can get another tourist visa. You have to have your tourist visa renewed for another 60 days. After that, you can get one more extension in country for an additional 30 days. Now, that is a total of 180 days or 6 months. Anything after that, the Thai Bureau of Immigration is going to start asking lots of questions, and you're probably going to run into difficulty renewing your tourist visa. This is the information that was given to me. Now, the other way to get a tourist visa is if you are from a modern Western country, such as America. You can come in on what's called a 30-day visa exemption. In other words, you are here on no visa. You are visa exempt for 30 days. You can then extend that exemption one time for 30 days in country without having to leave for a total of 60 days. After that, you will need to do the same process as the first visa, the first kind of tourist visa, which is you will need to make a border run, and you will need to go outside of the country to a consulate or embassy and get a tourist visa. And that visa will give you a 60-day stay in Thailand, and you will receive one extension on that tourist visa for an additional 30 days. So you will have about 5 months of total stay in Thailand. And according to the attorneys that I've talked to, that is about the limit that the immigration office is looking to give tourists. There are ways around that, of course. There are many people who make multiple tourist visa runs and have no problem doing it, getting it. But I am telling you what the Thai immigration authorities are currently looking at in terms of how long you can actually stay in Thailand on a tourist visa. This is one of the reasons you will see many people, such as digital nomads, come in for 6 months and then leave and go to places like Bali or Vietnam for 6 months and then come back. It is possible, as I said, to stay in Thailand longer than 6 months on a tourist visa. However, there's no guarantee. There's also no guarantee of an initial tourist visa. There's no guarantee of an initial visa exemption. There are no guarantees that just because you're an American or just because you come from the UK that you are going to receive a visa. The immigration department here is tightening down on tourist visas, particularly also non-B immigrant visas. If you want to stay in the country long term, there are ways to do that, but you're going to need a non-immigrant visa, such as an education visa, a non-B visa, or a non-O visa. Non-O visa would be like a marriage visa, for example. The non-B visa is the business visa. You're either going to start a business in which you can employ 4 Thai employees per one foreigner that you have working at your business, or you are going to go to work for a company in Thailand. Non-O's would apply for child support visas or marriage visas. If you have a child in Thailand and you make an arrangement with the mother that you are on the birth certificate and you have rights to the child, then you can be granted a specific type of non-O visa. I am not 100% certain on the particulars of that, but I do know that if you have a baby with a Thai woman and you are not married in the Kingdom of Thailand, you have absolutely zero rights and responsibilities to that child without making an authorized court document or getting married to her. That'll be for another vlog at some other point. But to stay in Thailand on a tourist visa right now, you're looking at about 6 months total. If you want to stay longer than that, it may be a good idea to look at a year or 6 month education visa. You can get education visas for Muay Thai. You can get education visas in self-defense. That visa is only offered in Chiang Mai, but it is offered. You can also get an education visa to learn the Thai language. And if you get education visas to learn the Thai language, you will likely be questioned at immigration on the Thai language. So you need to be able to actually learn some of the Thai language in order to continue your visa. Because when you get these non-immigrant visas, you must report every 90 days. Every 90 days you will go in and fill out paperwork stating where you live in the country, that your address hadn't changed or that it has changed, and that you're still working or attending the educational facility that you originally signed up for. That's kind of how it worked, guys. I hope that answers your questions, and thanks everybody for tuning in. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys on the next video.